Here we go, we finally have our first real look at the Samsung Galaxy S24/Galaxy S24 Plus. Samsung is indeed going full on flat in 2024. Yes, this is the biggest visual change that you can see right away. It looks very similar to the sides of the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max, all flat with rounded corners. Now if you ever had the chance to use the iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max, then you'll probably have a rough idea of how this is gonna feel. Other than that, the rest of the look is very similar to last year's Galaxy S23, or I should say this year's S23. We still have patternless triple cameras on the back. When it comes to the front, Galaxy S24 will be Samsung's most bezel-less flagship ever. It even beats the bezels of the iPhone 15 Pro series according to Universe. It's said to have 1.5mm bezel compared to 1.7mm on the iPhone 15 Pro. I'm pretty sure Universe is really happy right now because he cares about bezels so much. If you're in the same boat, then it's an exciting news because the S24 and the S24 Plus will pack possibly the narrowest bezel on a 2023 flagship this year. Now we still have yet to see the big boy Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm guessing that's gonna happen in the next 48 hours, but be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new update. Let me know your thoughts on the real design look of the Galaxy S24, which is obviously gonna be the same thing for the S24 Plus. Lastly, we have the display specification for the entire Galaxy S24 series. According to Universe, Samsung is indeed bringing a 2500 nit bright display on all models, which is an amazing news. Plus, for the first time, we're getting a proper Quad HD Plus resolution similar to the Ultra model on the S24 Plus. Along with the display specs, we can see the same battery sizes as last year's model, along with the same fast charging protocols for each variant. I can't wait to see how the S24 Ultra will look. It is expected that it's not gonna have as bezel-less of a display as the S24 or S24 Plus. Again, we'll know for sure when the real look is out, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.